So that's, I always explain to people, that is programming. That is a specific phrase that you have to say exactly for Alexa to do what they're going to do. Now, an AI version of that would be if I went in and I said, wow, it's dark in here. And Alexa said, do you want me to turn on the lights?
Right, right. Yeah, big difference.
A big difference. Yeah. And so that's, you know, how I explain it to people is you're already using this stuff. You just don't realize it.
Mm-hmm. Sure. So I think that when you're talking about helping people understand how easy it is, how straightforward it can be, I think you're kind of also just describing the mindset that you've developed as, you know, through your work experience. Yes. And all the tech you've worked on. So that makes sense. But do you have any other like hobbies or, you know, kind of personal interests that you think have kind of helped feed that?
Yeah, totally. I mean, you know, I think, you know, I like to experiment and piddle with things. And so during COVID, I built a wood laser engraver, an X tool in my garage. It's a kit you buy and you build it up and you connect it to the computer and you can, you know, engrave on wood, you can engrave on anything, you know, like plastic, you know, name it. And so I think that my curiosity and constant need to like, let's see if I can do it. Let me, you know, that do-it-yourself kind of mentality. Mm-hmm. Is there. And I stress that in my TED Talk about like think of AI as a mindset and as a way to wrap your head around like what could it be? Don't accept, you know, I think we all get stuck in like, oh, well, it's always been that way or that's how things work. Sure. But when you open your brain and you say, okay, well, does it have to work that way? Mm-hmm. Maybe it could be different. And so when you start expanding that, that's when we really get into the ideas and where AI can really plug in and help us.
Okay. Very cool. So kind of building on that a little bit, but this is a question I ask all of my interviewees. If I gave you a magic microphone that let you talk to everybody in the world for 5 minutes, and you can really only talk about like one topic in that time, what would you tell people? And it doesn't have to be AI related, you know, just maybe some misconception or whatever. What is like, you know, I give you the ability to talk to the entire world. They have to listen to you for 5 minutes. What are you talking about?